Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to tackle is something that I really enjoy doing is the wiring. We're going to go inside and get that all squared away, get the old out, and put the new in, make it new and happy and professional and look like it's supposed to and be safer. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick overview and we'll go ahead and knock this out. Enjoy! So to condense the video, I already took everything apart just so I can give you a quick overview of how it used to be. Main on-off with toggle switches, and then behind it I made a junction block for the ground, and also one for the power. I'm going to get rid of all this stuff and run a fuse box with relays instead of doing this hokey bullshit. Upgrade it, make it safer, do a circuit breaker to the battery, etc., make it legit and safe and happy and all that so we don't have a fire. So anyhow, I'm going to tear this all apart. It's going to be a little hard to do a time lapse, so I'm just going to give you an aftermath, but we're going to go ahead and blast this out as fast as I can. Incredible. Don't ask me how, but all these small nuts are all 9mm. What the hell takes a 9mm? These are all 9s. 3/8 don't fit, 10mm don't fit, and 8mm does not fit, but a 9 fits that perfect. I'm just completely baffled. I can't remember the last time I even saw a 9mm nut. Anyhow, just had to share that with you. I thought that was really bizarre. Alright, as you saw in an earlier video, I tested the relays out. So now basically what we're going to do is make a relay board. This is just some 1/4-inch ABS plastic that I ordered off of Amazon for like $2. Alright, since it wasn't very exciting to watch me do this, I figured I would just blast it out and then show you how it turned out. So basically this is the relay panel that'll fit inside the truck. Got the powers and grounds all hooked up. I just need my main power and main ground there, and then of course I have my toggle switch and my out for the relays. I just ended up just running them through the plastic, and as you can see that here, that's what it looks like out the back. So if you watch my video on the relay, on how a relay works, basically one goes to the toggle switch and one goes to whatever you want to turn off and on. So anyhow, I just wanted to give you a quick little update on that little thing. Turned out really nice, pretty clean and all that. So I'm really happy with how this is progressing. So now I got to get my toggle switches all lined up, and then I can wire this in, and then I can move on into wiring in these to what I want to turn on, like the fuel pump. That'd be cool, and the computer, so I could start this damn thing. I'm sure you all want to see it run. I know I sure as hell do. We're getting one step closer. Quote SpongeBob, 2 hours later. I got the fuse, I got the toggle switches all wired in. Took a little bit of time, but I did get it done. A little mechanics yoga and a little stretching and all that. I got her all done. So anyhow, here's how it turned out. So basically what the gist of it is these all these red wires go down there to that junction block with the yellow wires. And all I got to do is add 12 volts to that whenever I get my battery cable all ironed out, and that will get all of this good to go. And then the grounds are across the front of the toggle switches, as you can see with the blue butt connectors down there, and I got them running to a bus bar right under here, and that's all ready to go. I got to run a main ground to that as well, but it's all good to go. And then last but not least, once I get the relays all oops, I lost my light. So anyway, once I get the relays in here, all I need to do is wire them to these right here, which should be pretty cut and dry. I mean, just put a butt connector on there and plug it in, and should be good to go. Alright guys, I got it all done, at least as far as I can get for today. It looks really good. I'm really happy with how everything turned out, and it does clear my shifter and everything. So anyhow, I'll flip this down here and show you what I got. So basically what I did is ran all these white wires up here to the toggle switches and the button, of course. And each one of these, what I did is I did a different color wire for each one of these buttons or toggles, so that way I know where they're going. Because I didn't want to, you know, like I wanted my ECU to be this, my fuel pump, fan, stuff like that. I had a designated plan in place. So that's why I did these in different colors, so I knew where the hell they were. And so basically all I got to do is put a bus bar down there and run all the wires from the outside of the truck into here, and this thing's done. Anyhow, that took a lot longer than I was hoping, but at the end of the day, oops, come on now, get in there, you damn thing. Anyhow, at the end of the day, I'm really happy with how it turned out, not only aesthetically, but it also was a really clean installation. Well, guys, that's all I got for tonight. I really appreciate you watching my video, and I hope this was really helpful information for you. If you have a minute, hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel out if you could do that for me. Have a great night, and we'll see you next time.